just taking a walk in nature. Thought I'd document it for you guys and post it on my channel. It's been a while since I've been here, but it's nice. Enjoy. See you there. It's nice. I've not walked here in years. I forget what the trails look like. It's a beautiful day. It's actually the evening time, but it's nice out. I'll try to get more footage. It's kind of floody in this trail, so I had to turn around. I'm gonna look for some other walkways, though. It's beautiful so far. Now this is a better trail. It's dry. I was not prepared for a walk full of water. I don't mind it. Years ago I fell into, I don't know what it was, like a little canal up to my neck. That was a fun adventure with an old friend. But yeah, I'm not prepared to walk through water, so I'm gonna stick to the dry trails. And there's a big canal over there. But yeah, this one, there's some water. But yeah, this is really nice. It's been a long time. I'm real deep inside the oxbow. This is cool. I found another area that was kind of floody with water, so I had to turn around. But this is fun. This is really cool. Hope you enjoyed that walk with me. It was a lot of fun. Yeah, I hope to find more awesome nature trails. But I hope you're all doing good, taking care of yourselves, enjoying your weekend. Yeah, just do what makes you happy, love life, and yeah, stay hydrated, stay out of trouble. Hi, my name is Ryan, no spaces. I had some lady and her dog staring me down. But yeah, like, subscribe, hit the bell, tell all your friends, comment, and all that good stuff. Peace.